Hey, hey, what are you doing here?
Guess who it is?
Nothing is serving resist. I just don't let it know. Why is there music playing? Hey, turn the music off. Okay, so anyway. Ah! Hey, quit attacking our friends. That's not right. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. We're all friends here, so we should make it right.
Yep, let's do something with Corinne.
Hey, it's personal. What the heck?
What's personal?
The Corinne thing.
You love your mommy.
That's between me and you, though.
Oh, it doesn't? Hello?
So, what should we do today? What should we do today? Let us think. We can fight bad guys. There is none. Really? Eh? It's better than no fighting. Huh! Woo! Huh! Huh! Your turn, chop chop. Hey, what's this? It's the portal of power. Huh. Huh. How come it's not working? Let me try it. Oh my god. Is that enough? Oh my god. Is that enough for before you don't think? Nope. Nothing happened. What? How did that happen? Let's get out of here. Oh yeah. Yahoo! Goes 190. What is last? 60. Okay, we're all here. Let's get this portal power working. Okay, first we just surround it. Each get one separate area. Work on. The magic area! There's no magic area! Let me in. There we go. Some of us are gonna have to share working areas. Okay. Let's get this fixed. Let me hammer it. I'll hammer all the stuff in. Okay, you guys just back up there. We'll do it one at a time. I have a real hammer here, so let me do it. Okay, do your thing. Woo! Oh, man, another. Okay, let's try. Doesn't work, but it gets me up in the air. No! Yeesh, there's only 7 of us. Where's that bad guy? What? Really? You had to get that guy. Good. Okay. Okay, we did it. Okay, don't forget to like on this video and see you later. Everyone say bye. Bye. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, hey, that guy. Hey, it's the portal of power. This one doesn't. Oh, hey, Chop Chop. Ooh. A portal of power. How come this doesn't work? Nature makes it nice. Twitch it. Twitch it. Another twitch, twitch, twitch. This is all better now. I got. Hello.
Okay, bud, I'm gonna.
Shh. Okay, I'm hammering this inside part. Okay, when it's like saving and publishing. Okay, let's get Dark Spiral. Hey, Spiral. Hi. 2 hours later. 2 hours later. Whoa. You gotta be kidding me. It's the. Oh! Hey. Too far. Hey, it takes more than one security just to get him away. You should be trying to get him away. Look, Dark Spiral and Chop Chop. There, you're getting him away. It takes 5. Now it takes 6, including the one. Oh yeah, that's true. Hammer, stomp, blow up, attack, throw, sword strike, hammer, fire strike, sword. We believe we can fly. We believe we can touch the sky. Oh, we think about it every night and day. Oh, we spend our and we away. Away from the bye. Oh my God, that hurts. No. Guys, don't forget to like. Stop that! Turn it off! Turn that off! I didn't even want that in the first place. Stop it! Okay, that was pretty awkward at the beginning, but we're here now with the portal of power. Hey! How does it not work? Guys! Wanna blow this up? No, that didn't work. Well, you need something to fix it with? Light it up. What? Yeah. We stay tall. Let's see if it works. Whoa. We believe we can fly. We believe we can touch the sky. We think about it every night and day. We spread our fists and we do a backflip. We believe we can fly. We believe why is there opera playing? I wish I had to go find the toilet, 'cause I feel like I really have to go potty. Oh look, there's a toilet. And look what's going on. We believe we can fly. Ow. Everyone say bye.